All right, then y'all know here, got the exhaust bolted on. So y'all can see it. And the X pipe to the two single chamber. Polished mufflers back there. Gotta get hangers on them. Gotta hang them up. They get hangers up there to hang them, but yep, there you go. Looks nice though. The X pipe looks beautiful stainless steel. Let me tell you, this flipper or giver, boy, they gonna get. Oh my God, flipper or giver, what's up? So yeah, there it is. Load it to the 3.5 inch, 2 inch primary collectors. Going up to, you know what? So we'll get that hung. I'll get the dumps cut and made, and we set on that. All right, on to the next.